everyone, my name is Randolph and Edmond there at the back camera. Our lean video for today is not so complicated, so simple. It's about how to charge properly the forklift. This past 2 days, I've seen two guys mistakenly put this slot here to the charger, going here, which is wrong side. And one of the guys even called me there when I was working. Can you imagine how many minutes it took him to ask me why is it not charging? So the solution is so simple. We come up with a good solution for this, and this is the labeler. So the solution is this: to label it to charger. So easy. You put it there, no one will make mistake again. Immediately they will figure it out. Put it there, and it will start from there. And that's it. Now it's starting. We cut off how many minutes, how many even seconds, even 2 seconds of it, and we eliminate that waste. And that's lean. Thank you very much for watching.